Forgotten username recovery failed on SoFi Money Fix. If you're struggling to recover your SoFi Money username, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because SoFi now emphasizes email or phone number as your main login credential, rather than traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that username guessing rarely works anymore. Here's the fix. Step 1. Go to the SoFi Money login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. This is the primary way SoFi identifies users now. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email or phone, you'll need to verify your identity. Gather your full name, date of birth, social security number, and any account-specific details you can provide. This ensures only you can regain access. Step 3. After verification, you may be prompted to reset your password. Follow the instructions sent to your email or phone and check spam folders if the email does appear immediately. Step 4. If all else fails, contact SoFi support. Explain that your username recovery failed and provide the requested personal details. Their team will guide you through a secure verification process to regain access. Many users think that losing a username means permanent lockout, but the reality is simple. SoFi transition to email and phone-based login to improve security and simplify access. Follow these steps, and you'll regain access quickly. Use your registered email or phone, verify your identity when necessary, and you'll be back managing your SoFi Money account with full functionality and confidence.